Hello everyone, welcome to Sudha's Art Creation. In my previous video I had mentioned that I will be showing you how to do Zentangle designs. So today we will be seeing how to do different artwork with Zentangling. Today I'll be showing you how to do these designs on this kind of cards, and this I bought at Amazon. I'll give you the link below. So that you can buy this, and I will be using the Micron Pigma pens, and also for coloring I'll be using the water-based marker. You can use any marker of your choice. So let's get started. To do this design, just place some dots on the card and join the dots on two sides, and then you should make sure that you're joining the dots this way rather than completing the triangle. So now I'm going in for the next triangle. So now you can see that I've completed this card. I can go it all the way till the end. The main idea is to make some triangles and make sure you fill the triangles from when you start on one side. You always finish the triangle making those lines from that point. So it gives you that these nice center points, which I'm going to color it, or you can just shade them and it will look like this. Will give us 3D effect. So I hope you can see it well, and now I'm going to color them like how I've done this. So on each triangle, whichever is the point you started off filling those lines with, that's where I'm coloring. This is your personal choice. You can color them entirely, or you can just do this. I personally like the black and white, so you can see the drawing very well. So let's go to the next design. I'm going to be showing you how to do this pattern. So once all corners are done and the middle portion is done, you just start filling it out. By joining all these designs. This is now complete. Isn't it very pretty? So you can be very creative and do many such designs, and you can just keep on doing it, and so once you learn to do this design, you can do on any surface, like I've done this on a canvas, this on just a sketch paper and put it on in a frame. So I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and please share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.